Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study clinical biochemistry. Start by building a strong foundation in core principles, understanding how metabolic pathways function and the role of enzymes. Don't just memorize, actively engage with the material by working through problems and analyzing clinical cases. This approach helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for practical application in healthcare settings. To truly excel, focus on the intricate details of metabolic pathways, understanding their regulation and interconnections. It's crucial to correlate biochemical abnormalities with specific disease states, recognizing how lab results guide diagnosis. Regularly test your knowledge with practice questions and quizzes. This active recall is a powerful tool for identifying areas needing more attention and reinforcing what you've learned. Leverage a variety of resources to enhance your learning. Comprehensive textbooks provide in-depth explanations, while specialized review books offer concise summaries. Online platforms are excellent for visual learners, providing video lectures and interactive modules. Don't underestimate the power of flashcards or spaced repetition software. These tools are incredibly effective for memorizing key facts and ensuring long-term retention of complex biochemical information. To truly master clinical biochemistry, consistency is key. Schedule regular review sessions to reinforce what you've learned, preventing the natural decay of memory. A fantastic way to deepen your understanding is by explaining complex concepts to others. Teaching helps you identify gaps in your own knowledge. And for more great resources, including a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other deals, check the description below. Keep practicing and applying your knowledge to real-world scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.